Move number 5 is to communicate clearly with your employees. Times like this create uncertainty. And uncertainty creates hesitation, creates anxiety. So imagine mo lang, no, kunwari, alangan kang tumawid, no, sa isang madilim na kalye, di ba? Ganun din, no? Hindi ka gagalaw kasi baka mabundol ka eh. Pero kung may malinaw na pedestrian lane, tapos may ilaw, may traffic aid na pinapago ka na, di ba? So mabilis kang tumawid. So your team's the same. So they need clarity, especially in times of uncertainty. So as a leader, you need to clear things up. What matters now? Ano ba yung mga priorities na nagbago na? In many companies, leaders assume. They assume that people understand. But in uncertain times, people are often guessing. So don't let them guess on their own. Be clear, really explain what the new direction, what the new moves are going to be to handle this crisis. Because without that clear direction, your team will slow down. So going back to yung analogy ng crossing a street, or crossing a dark street, yung iba, nandun na lang sa sidewalk siguro, maghihintay. So you and your leadership team need to be like traffic aids. So you need to make the actions that you want them to take clear and get them moving with energy.